Hey guys, guess what I got in the mail? I got my first Birchbox. I am so excited. I've been waiting forever because I was on the wait list and I finally got off and I finally have my box. I've been waiting all day. I had to go to my internship. Okay, so I'm going to open it right now. I got my scissors. I hope I don't mess up the box. I've seen some people scratch their box when they tried to open it. I didn't scratch it. Look how cute it is. Oh, I just love it. Look at my little box. I didn't hurt it. Okay, here's the moment of truth. I haven't looked at any spoilers. I've only saw one thing that I know that's going to be in there. At least they say that's going to be in there. So, alright, here we go. It won't open. There we go. Alright, and here's the card. That's what it looks like. It says Heritage. That's this month's theme. And I'm not going to read it yet. Oh, I'm so excited. Phenomenal, magical, adventurous, creative, and smart cookie. Birchbox. And it has some inspiring messages on here. And here again is our box with some pretty paper. Ooh, what is this? This is the Bombshell Blowout Spray and Sea Buckthorn Berry. I wonder if it smells good. Doesn't really have a smell. But I'm really excited for this blowout spray. I don't really blow dry my hair, but I might start. And it's good for color treated hair, which is good. I sometimes dye my hair. I have Ico London Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl. I don't know if you can see that. It's Ico, and it's a pretty big sample. At least it might be full size. I don't know. It's pretty big. And this is designed for after-hour seduction to create drama, volume, and curl to visibly transform and intensify your lashes. Oh, I'm so excited. This is great. I got Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for Lips. I was talking about this with my friend Ashley. The Ashley and the Jaclyn and Ashley Productions. We were laughing about this. Because it wasn't about Birchbox. It was in a glossy box. And I was looking at a review and I thought that was funny. So, it's supposed to be 100% all natural. And this is going to be great. Oh, and it says it's also a balm for dry skin, lips. Oh, it's for everything, even feet. I think I'll use it for my lips though. What is, this is cute. What is this? It says September 2013. This is a surprise. Oh, here we go. It's got two things in here. Oh, I got the Ruffian nail polish. This is the one I knew about. I didn't know what color. And I'm glad I got this one. It's Hedge Fund. It's kind of like a green. I'm so excited for this. And the last is Dr. Jart Premium BB Beauty Balm Multi-Action Skincare Makeup. And it's got some Asian letters on the back. But it's from oh, it says made in Korea. This is actually made in Korea. I thought they were just messing around with the Asian beauty balm. But I love BB cream. I just finished using my Garnier beauty cream, so that will be great. It has a little card called Grape Expectations, and it has some some things on it. It tells you get a free gift if you purchase something in the Birchbox shop. So that's interesting. A Ruffian nail polish. Dr. Jart, I hope it's pronounced like that, BB cream sample. The Ico London mascara. Nipple balm sample. Bombshell blowout spray. Overall, I'm very happy and I can't wait to try these products. Bye!